Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today we are going to study the five senses. In Spanish it means los cinco sentidos. Are you ready? Let's go. In English we have five senses. We can smell, we can touch, we can taste, we can listen, and we can see. So let's see one by one. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I see a rainbow. I see a cat. I see books. I listen with my ears. I listen with my ears. I listen to the radio. I listen an ambulance. Nino, Nino, Nino. I touch with my body. I touch with my body. I touch plants. I touch plastilin. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I smell delicious pancakes. Delicious. I smell perfume. Psh, psh, psh. Finally, I taste with my mouth. I taste with my mouth. I can taste a delicious pizza, or I can taste an ice cream. Yummy, yummy. So let's review. We have five senses. Can you listen and repeat with me? Let's go. Smell. Smell. Touch. Touch. Listen. Listen. See. See. Taste. Taste. Okay guys, well done. This is all for today. Bye bye butterflies.